Moving to another country is exciting, but getting your belongings there can feel complicated. With the right planning, an international move can be much smoother than you might expect. The first step is deciding what to take with you. Shipping items overseas can be expensive, so many people choose to sell, donate, or store items they do not need right away. Bringing only the essentials can save time and money. Next, understand your shipping options. International moves usually involve sea freight or air freight. Sea freight is more affordable but takes longer, while air freight is faster and costs more. A professional international mover can help you choose the option that fits your timeline and budget. Paperwork is a big part of moving abroad. Customs forms, inventories, and country-specific regulations are required, and missing documents can cause delays. Working with experienced movers helps ensure everything is handled correctly. It is also smart to learn about your new country's rules on restricted items and delivery timelines so you know what to expect when your shipment arrives. International moving has a lot of details, but the right support makes all the difference. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com. And also, you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.